All right, so
Hey, sir. When you stay here, where do you live at?
this call came in over the scanner
Okay. What do you have ID on you?
that there was a guy with a orange shirt on. He just
You
told
have ID, sir.
the deputy, "Fuck you." There was a call that there was a fight. He's just an old man, guys. It's right now. I don't see anyone. Look at he just put his hands on him. They're trying to get us. They're trying to get us to where we can't see what's going on with him. No, we're just documenting. Nothing, man. All right, so now they just handcuffed him. What crime? What crime did he commit? He didn't commit a crime. I'm serious, he wasn't doing anything. He was just standing right there at the bus stop, smoking a cigarette, and this is it. Okay. And as far as it goes with getting any information on him tonight, like to get out or anything, is he going to be getting out tonight or?
I believe it's only a misdemeanor, so usually
He'll
we're
probably
not
get out,
going to keep him in there for a misdemeanor. He's going to
Okay.
probably be cited out.
Okay.
Now, I can't quote you on that. You know, I don't know what the watchman is going to do, a watchman or hold.
I don't know if the watchman is going to do a watchman or hold.
But that's up to him. Most likely he's going to get a citation.
Yeah, okay.
So I got to go to, apparently there's
Cool
another
beans.
traffic
All
collision.
right, thank you, man. Appreciate it. So I'm only able to share this very small clip because I have been told by SGV News First, do not release the whole entire video, which I'm not going to do. But the reason why I'm going to share this little clip real fast is because did this sergeant know that the watch commander was going to put a hold on SGV before he even got to the station? As you can hear right there in that clip, the sergeant said, well, I don't know if the watch commander is going to put a watch commander hold on him. What is a watch commander hold? Anyway, so now let's go to the phone call when I called up there to the station, and let's hear about this watch commander hold. Gonzalez, we're trying to find out what his status is.
I'm sorry?
I'm calling for Jose Gonzalez. We're trying to find out what his status is and if he has any holds for we could bail him out.
Give me 1 second, let me transfer to the jail.
All right. Don't say anything.
Lancaster Jail, Officer Johnson, I can help you.
Yeah, hi. I'm calling for Jose Gonzalez. He's
Okay, he's here.
Okay, yeah, he's booked in, but are we able to bail him out? Because I keep hearing something about a watch commander hold.
Yes, that's the hold that we have here on him to send him to court from here.
What is a watch commander hold?
That's a hold for us to hold him here to send him here.
To hold him here, to send him here. How does that make any type of sense at all? To hold him here, to send him here. That's not what this guy meant to say. What he meant to say was to hold him here, then send him to the county jail. That's what he meant to say. I mean, how does that make sense? To hold him here, to send him here. I mean, come on now. It doesn't take a rocket scientist or a brain surgeon to figure this one out. The only thing was they couldn't get him to go to LA County Jail. And the reason why, because there was no buses over the weekend. But guaranteed, on Monday morning, oh, they would have been up and trucking. They get paid all kinds of money to transport an inmate from Lancaster all the way down to LA County Jail. Then they would have had him down there for God knows how long. They might have even sent him out to Wayside, made more money, and then brought him back all the way to county jail, made more money. Come on now. To hold him here to send him.
Yeah, typically on misdemeanors that we don't cite out, we have to get a watch commander hold.
Okay, so you guys are not going to cite him out because of photography reasons?
Okay, he's not getting cited out because he has a watch commander hold.
Okay.
as far as what the crime or any information about the case, I don't have all that. I just know he has a watch commander hold for the charge that he's in here for.
Okay, so with the hold, are we able to bond him out even though he has a watch
Yes,
commander
with
hold?
yes.
Okay. Is there such thing as a watch commander hold?
Are you asking me?
Yes.
Yes, I wouldn't have said that if there wasn't no such thing as that.
Do you know the law and the penal code on that?
It's a watch commander hold. There is no penal code section
So it's like a
that
policy
I
then.
know of. What?
It's a policy then. A policy, not the
Yes.
law. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.